This is Ryan, you watching John Boat Mafia. Enjoy.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah.
Nice blue tie. There you go.
Alright guys, John Boat Mafia on the water. Already got one run going by my man Jeffrey here.
What's going on, y'all? We're gonna try and get y'all a little bit of action on the noose.
Oh, he's on.
That's right there.
Boys. Oh, he on. He got it.
Where's Spotlight at, yo?
Yeah. Hurt on me.
I got you. It's decent, whatever.
He's right there.
Oh yeah, we'll take that. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, my bad. Come up some more.
Hold on.
He went under the boat. Under the boat.
Hold on. He's coming.
Ain't gonna lie, he didn't come up high enough. My bad. It's on me.
Right there.
Right there,
Right
baby.
there. Look, y'all see how we do it out here in the John Boat.
In the John Boat.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and pull him out for the camera. It's a nice one.
Here we go, boys.
5-6 pounds.
Alright, so we're trying to put tie on his first catfish.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it nice. There you go.
Yeah, I think it's still up there. Yeah.
Commit.
Rod right there ain't gonna be in the way.
No, you're good. You're good. Bring him over here. Bring him over here. No, you're good. Bring him over here.
Holy crap.
Bring him over here. You're good.
Come on, Ty.
You're good. You're good.
Come on.
Holy shit. Oh, he's in the net. He's in the
Good
net.
shit, Ty.
Holy crap. Ty just caught a nice drum. Bruh. Ty just caught a slot drum out here on the
You can, and you can keep that.
The man said he wanted a drum today on
got the drum,
right before
bro.
the 4th, and he got it. Yes, sir. Good fight.
Cheeto piss. Oh, lucky! That bird just on me, dog.
Nah,
He's
bro.
on. He's
nah,
on.
bro. That bird just
He's
on me,
on.
bro. Nah, bro.
Hey, he's on.
Nah.
It's nice, whatever it is.
Nah, bro.
Another nice cat. Nice cat. Oh, nice cat. Nice cat. Give me that.
I would help you, but I'm trying to get bird off of him.
That is a nice cat, bro. That is my biggest channel cat to date on a rod and reel.
That's a blue.
What's the blue?
Blue channel. They're
Blue.
not the same. Y'all know how we do it out here at John Boat Mafia, man. Look, this is the third fish in the boat. Nice, pretty blue cat. My biggest fish up to date with a rod and reel. Couldn't be more happy with this fish and couldn't be more blessed. Thank you, God. Hey, but look, this is the big one. This is the big pull out deep. Oh yeah, oh my God, this is the one I've been waiting for, boys. This is big. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. You got the net ready? I've got you. There's the weight. Light,
Ty, light.
Oh, it's a striper. Big striper. Go. Get up there.
Yes, sir.
Holy crap.
Can we keep one of them?
No. All right, guys, look here. We got a nice, pretty striper. This is also my PB striper off of Rod and Reel. So tonight it is happening, and I couldn't be, again, more blessed because this is a beautiful fish. Look at that, just beautiful.
I'm making sure I got this all on film.
Hey, it's nice.
You nice?
Nobody fixed the fucking net. It's all good.
It's all right. I'm got him on video for him. Keep doing your thing, Ryan. Hey, do like you're just doing. Don't even.
All right, the net is fixed. The net is fixed.
Oh, he's decent.
That's a catfish.
Damn, Ty thinks everything's a damn drone.
Yeah, on me.
Where am I in the net? No, you're good. You're good. Come on. There we go. See how I look. Phone card got one. What you guys say, phone card?
Feel pretty good now.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see him?
Yeah, there's so
Yes,
much wood in this
sir.
motherfucker.
There you
Dang!
go.
He bit me.
Go ahead, Pete. Oh, wow.
Keep him down.
Look how big that thing is.
Big one. What's the net? Pete, you already
No, I'm
fighting,
saying,
man.
like, you know what I mean? I don't
Where's he coming to? From the back of the boat to the right of the boat? Or
to the back right now.
I got. Oh my God.
good God.
Oh my gosh. You gonna have to grab him.
I'm gonna shine a light better.
Somebody grab my, he's got to right mouth.
You gonna have to grab him by the mouth.
Grab him by his mouth.
Good, we're good. He's in the net, guys.
Holy crap, boys.
Dude. Heck yeah.
Pete,
That's a PB.
Pete,
That's
a
a
PB,
PB.
baby.
Oh, sunburn.
It's called swamp donkey, son.
Yes, sir.
Off the rod and reel, boys.
Look, off the John boat, boys. Look at
Come
that.
on.
PB on my rod. I know it's not big for much, but hey, for the John Boat, for the John Boat Mafia crew, that's a hell of a fish for the
Hey,
boys.
Pete, that's a story one.
Golly.